Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good morning or good afternoon, whatever part of the world you may be. I hope everyone is okay today. Okay, now today I'll be cooking pumpkin rice and fried chicken, French fried chicken, Jamaica pumpkin rice and French fried chicken. Okay, first I went ahead and cut up the coconuts. We're gonna be having coconut in it. That's one of the ingredients. First we have salt, black pepper, seasoned salt, thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, onion, garlic, scallion, and thyme. Okay, so we're gonna be cooking about half pound of pumpkin. That's what we're going to be using, and about 3 cups of rice. So it varies, you can use 2 cups as well as 3, but I'll be using 3 cups. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut up the pumpkins to put in the pot. But first we're going to blend our coconut. I'm going to blend it off camera and I'm coming back to show you. Okay, now family, welcome back. We went ahead and blend our coconut, so we're going to strain it now and put it in the pot. Okay, we're going to strain it, put it in the pot. Okay, so now we're draining the trash out. At this point, we turn the fire on. Okay, I'm going to strain it in the trash. Okay, we're gonna put this away. I'm gonna wash my hand and come back. So now, at this point, what we're gonna be doing now, just cleaning up. We're gonna be seasoning up our pot. So first, we're gonna be putting in our pot about half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, then we're going to be putting in about half a teaspoon of seasoned salt. Okay, then we're going to be putting 1 teaspoon of all-purpose. Then we're going to be going in with some black pepper, about a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, I'm going to stir that up. Stir it up a little, and then we're going to cover it down and let it steam for about 2 to 5 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm going to be cutting up my pumpkin. Okay, so I'm cutting up my pumpkin, then I'm going to be washing it, put in the pot. So I'm going ahead and cutting it. I'm cutting it in cubes like this. See, this is how we're going to be cutting them, cubes. Okay, cutting them off in cubes. Okay, so I'll be coming back to show you after I wash them when I put it in the pot. Okay, and finish seasoning up the pot and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll show you the finishing product. Okay, now family, welcome back. Now at this point we're going to be putting our scallion in the pot, thyme, and we're going to put in our scotch pepper and our onion. All of these we're going to put in the pot. Put in all of those in the pot, because we see it in the pot now. All those ingredients is going to be going in the pot to cook. Okay, so we're mixing them up nicely. Okay, so now we're going to be grating about 3 cloves of garlic in it to give it a taste. 3 cloves of garlic. Cloves of garlic in it. Okay, at this point now we're going to be adding our pumpkin. Okay, then we're going to be putting just a little piece of ginger in it to give it that taste. Gonna be putting a little piece of ginger, just a little piece, about a quarter piece of ginger, this much. We're gonna wash our ginger. Grate our ginger and put it in. Okay. That's it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to turn the fire up a little to let it cook. And we're going to leave it to cook for about, say, half an hour, and then I'm coming back to put the rice in. Remember yesterday we went ahead and seasoned our chicken. Okay? Season up our chicken overnight, because we're going to French fry it. So we leave it to soak overnight for 24 hours. So now we're going to fry it. So first, I'm going to be putting in the bowl 2 cups of plain flour. That's 1, 2, about 2.5 cups. That's what we do to coat it properly. Okay, I'm going to put that aside. Then I'm going to be putting in about a tablespoon of paprika. Then we're going to be putting in some all-purpose seasoned salt, about a teaspoon of seasoned salt, and then a teaspoon of all-purpose. Okay, then we're going to be going in some black pepper, half a teaspoon of black pepper, then we're going to be going in with about half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so we're going to mix that up, Then over here now, I'm going to be breaking in 2 eggs in a bowl. 2 eggs, because we're going to coat it in the egg and then put it in the flour. That's how we're going to do French fry. So first we're going to break 2 eggs, 1 egg first. Put that aside, trash. And we break the other one. Put that aside. And if any bits is in it, you can take the spoon and take it out. Okay? Take out that bit. So you have to break it in the bowl first. As you in case anything, you can take out any bitses, any trash or any bitses in it. Okay? So now, we're going to whip that up, throw away the trash. We're going to whip that up, whip it up, and we're going to coat the chicken first before we put it in the flour. Whipping it up first. Okay, that's fine. And we're going to put that away. Over here now, we have the frying pan. We're going to be frying the chicken over here in the frying pan. We already put some oil in the pot. Okay, so we're going to turn the fire on. Turn the fire on. Turn it on. Make sure the oil is hot first before we start to fry. Okay, so we have in the pot already put about 1 cup of oil, so we're going to put about another cup in the pot. So this will be another cup just to give it enough oil to fry the chicken. Okay, so that's about 2 cups of oil now. So we're going to leave the oil to hot a little before we start fry the chicken. So over here, pumpkin is cooking away. It's not cooked yet. Not cooked yet. You can test it to see if it's cooked at this point. It's not cooked. It's not fully cooked yet. It's halfway. So at this point, we're going to leave it to cook a little. Then we're going to wash our rice. Meantime, we're going to wash our rice. And we're coming back to put it in the pot about 5 minutes time. Okay? So we're going to leave the oil to hot. And then I'm going to show you how we're going to coat the chicken. Okay? I'm coming back to show you in a few minutes. Okay, now family, welcome back. We're going to put our rice in now. We already washed the rice. So we're going to put it in our pumpkin seasoning. Okay? So we're going to scrape all of that, put it in. I'm going to add it to the pumpkin now. Pumpkin soup. Then what we're going to do now, after we do all of this, got the rice in it. Stir it up. I'm going to use a fork to stir it up. Okay? You stir it up. So at this point now, I'm going to be putting in some butter to give it some taste. I'm going to put in about 2 teaspoons of butter. Be enough. Finish cook it down. So that will give it some more taste. So what we're going to be doing now, at this point, don't want a lot of water in it. This water is enough to cook it. If we need any more, we'll just add more. So at this point, we're not going to put any more water in it. We're going to leave it to steam down. So we turn the fire down a little bit at this point. And we're going to cover it and leave it to steam. Let it steam for about half an hour or so. And then we're going to come in back to look at it. But remember to turn the fire down. And then we're going to stir it. That's the bottom, don't cook on the top. Okay? At this point now, over here, we're going to be adding our chicken to the pot. Front pan. Because we already left the fire to be doing, I'm gonna be dipping the chicken. Chicken is gonna be dipped in the egg first. That's what's gonna be happening here. Chicken gonna be dipped in the egg. So at this point, if you want, you can put a little black pepper in the egg. Okay? It's already in the pot, but you can coat it with some black pepper. You can put a little bit more paprika if you want to give it some more color. So now, we're gonna be putting in our chicken in our egg. We're gonna coat it in our egg first. That's how you do the French fry. You coat it in the egg. Okay. You can do it the other way around too. If you don't have any egg, you can just fry it dry without the egg. But you have this other way where you can do it with egg. French fry way with egg as well. Okay. So dipping that in the egg, and then we're gonna do it in the flour. Okay. So you take the seasoning off first. Remember to take the seasoning off before you dip it. Take the seasoning off, and then we dip them. At this point, we're gonna start putting in our chicken. Start putting our chicken in the flour. See? Move this aside, and we put our chicken in, coating our chicken in the flour. Turn the fire down just a little. Okay, because the oil is already hot. Then we coat in our flour, our chicken in the flour nicely. We already season it up with black pepper, seasoned salt, paprika, and so forth. So we're gonna dip them. Make sure you coat them properly. That's the flour all over it, the chicken. Then we're gonna dip them in the frying oil, the hot oil, sorry. Alright, that's it. Dip it in the oil. Everybody dip it in the oil like that. That's two. Then we're gonna coat the other one. Coat them in this egg. Coat it in the egg first, and then we put it in the flour. That's how we do it. Coat in the egg and you put in the flour. Coat in the egg and put in the flour. So that's all we're gonna be doing the rest of them. And I'm coming back to show you what color you're supposed to get when you fry them. You're going to be getting a nice golden brown color and very crunchy and crispy French fry color. Okay, so we're going to leave it to fry, and then I'm coming back to show you how the other side is going to be look like. We're going to turn them on the other side, and then we're going to be frying out the rest of it. Okay, put that one in. Okay, coat it properly in the flour. Make sure you coat in the egg first before you put it in the flour. Okay, so I'll be doing the rest, coming back to show you. Okay, see you in a minute. fried out. This is the color we want it to be. Nice golden brown and crispy. Okay? Very nice and tasty and crunchy. Okay, so now we're gonna pop it in the oven just for say about 10 to 15 minutes so that it's soaked properly. That's how you do the French fried chicken. You pop it in the oven after you fry it for it to soak for a few minutes. Okay, so I already preheat the oven. You have to preheat the oven first before you put the chicken in. So we're gonna put our chicken in our oven and we set our oven at about say 160 for electric. Gas, you can put it at 350, but at this point you don't need it too hot, just want it to soak. Okay, so we're going to put it in our oven and leave it in there for 10 to 15 minutes, then we're going to soak it. Okay, we're going to pop it in there now. Leave it to soak. Okay, at this point now on our rice. Pumpkin rice is cooked. So, very shelly, comes up shelly and nice. Turn the fire off. So, at this point, you can taste it to see. Oh, shelly and nice. Taste it. Very nice. So, you can stir it up. Stir it up. Stir it up. At this point you can take out any time stick. Okay. So now we're gonna leave that in the corner cool just for a little. Because what we're gonna be doing now, we're gonna be making some gravy with the chicken to eat with the rice. So at this point I'm gonna be making some gravy with that leftover flavor sauce and the seasoning that we used to season the chicken yesterday overnight. So we're going to put a little bit of water in it. You don't want a lot of gravy, just want a little. Okay, so we're going to mix that up, wash it out. We're going to put it in our pot. Okay, we're going to simmer it down just a little. Some ketchup and a little bit of black pepper, about half a teaspoon of black pepper in it. Then we're going to put a little bit of seasoning salt, about half a teaspoon, then some all-purpose, and then we're going to put some ketchup. Paste. Okay, put about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I'm going to stir it up. Taste. Okay, and we're going to put the cover on it and let it cook. 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to cook it down. Then we might add some flour, a little bit of paste to give it for water. You don't have to, you can just cook it down because it's already thick. So we're going to leave it to cook. Then I'm coming back to show you the finishing product. Okay, see how I do? We're going to put in some butter. That's a little tip of butter, about a teaspoon.